I was having difficulty sleeping at night. And sometimes at night, what would happen is I would go to sleep, but then I would wake up in the middle of the night, like 2, 3 in the morning, and couldn't go back to sleep. And I was like having these very irregular sleeping patterns for some time. The way my sleep would, because it was so erratic, I would just be kind of in a zombie mode and more like a robot going through the motions, knowing that, okay, I have to function and do everything that I would normally do, work, hang out with family and friends, do all these things. But I was present, but I felt, I was fatigued because I wasn't getting the rest that I needed in order for me to be energized to go into my day. It's wonderful. It's nice to wake up and you feel refreshed and you can go into your day and not feel like, like you feel weighted down when you haven't slept, right? And it's almost like a chore to get through activities because you're tired. And so when you're not tired, you have so much more, energy and zest and creativity, and it's so much more there. And the role at work that I contribute to, it's like I need full capacity of my brain power, and so it's great. And I can feel like I'm rested. I can get through my workout routines. I can get through, like before I just felt like this weight and I was like, what is going on? And I knew because I wasn't sleeping, that's what was going on. A friend of mine was like, you may want to do a sleep study or, investigate. But then, of course, listening to WMUZ, I was like, you know what? I'm going to give Brain Life a chance. And so I came in for a consultation and listened to the video and the experiences of the founder and owner. And then also, had the opportunity to speak with the staff here and get a little bit more insight. And it began to make me more comfortable and feel like this is something that isn't some new whimsical, shiny object, but this is a real life, technique that's been applied consistently across, the world. Yeah. So going through the intensive. So initially, like the first 1 or 2 sessions, I was like, all right, this is different, but I like that it's holistic. It's not invasive. It's no, chemicals or anything like that. So that part resonated with me because it's so easy for the medical profession, not saying anything negative, but it's easy to prescribe something, right, and try to address a need. But it's interesting to see how your body has the capability to heal itself with the right tool set. And so I was through the process, I was thinking okay, this is gonna work. I would say at least, if nothing else, come to talk to do the consultation, the initial assessment, and then do your own research and look at how it's helped and changed others' lives. And then for yourself, kind of identify if this is where you want to be. But I would at least take the initiative to come in for a consultation and the initial assessment, just so you can understand a bit more about what this is and how it can benefit